Good day po. So for this laboratory exam po, ang ginawa ko is a VLAN trunking setup between two floors. Dito po sa topology, meron tayong dalawang switches. One for floor 1 and one for floor 2. Then bawat floor may dalawang PC representing HR and admin users. Nag-create po ako ng dalawang VLAN 10 for HR and VLAN 20 for admin. Then inassign ko yung ports ng bawat PC sa kanilang respective VLANs. For example po yung HR PCs ng floor 1 at HR PCs for floor 2 ay naka VLAN 10. While yung admin PCs naman ng floor 1 at floor 2 ay naka VLAN 20. So since both floors po have a mix of HR and admin users, instead of using multiple cables, gumamit po tayo ng iisang connection between the two switches po. This connection po is configured as a trunk port. Yung trunk port po allows multiple VLANs, specifically VLAN 10 at VLAN 20, na dumaan sa isang physical link between the two switches. For testing naman po, try po natin i-ping. Unahin po natin yung same VLAN. So from HR PC ng floor 1, magpiping po ako papunta sa HRPC ng floor 2. So as you can see po dito, successful po yung ping, which means nagko-communicate sila kahit nasa magkabilang floor. So working po yung trunking. Next, try naman po natin yung admin PCs from floor 1 to admin PC ng floor 2. Successful din po. So okay din yung VLAN 20 across the trunk. Na try naman po natin mag-ping between different VLANs from HRPC, i-ping po yung admin PC. As you can see po, nag-fail po yung request, which is expected kasi magkaibang VLAN sila. And wala po tayong router for inter-VLAN routing. So ibig sabihin po, tama po yung configuration natin. That's all po. Thank you.